discuss one simple and important topic which is related to kinetic theory of gases, that is law of equipartition of energy, which is based on degree of freedom. So the degree of freedom means the number of independent motions a gas molecule can perform. So when you consider the monoatomic gas, one single gas can move along X, Y and Z. So there are three translational motion. Therefore the number of degree of freedom is 3. When you consider di, so there are two molecules. Now if you consider this is one, they can move along X, Y and Z, 3 translational. But this can rotate about it and this can rotate about it. So apart from 2, 3 translational, there are also 2 rotational motion. So what is the total degree of freedom? 5. Similarly, when you consider tri, 3 translational plus 3 rotational, so F will become what? 6. That is the number of degrees of freedom for different type of gases. Now what is law of equipartition of energy? From the kinetic theory of gases, from the Maxwell distribution law, you will derive that the thermal energy, what is that? Thermal energy of a gas molecule, due to translational motion is 3/2 kT. This is for one molecule. And this only what we will take it as 3/2 kT, whatever is there, it is like 1/kT, 1/kT, 1/kT. As I said, there are 3 translational motion. This is due to motion along X, this is due to motion along Y, this is due to motion along Z. So each degree of freedom consists an energy of how much? 1/2 kT thermal energy. So that the total energy for one gas molecule will become 3/2 kT. And the same energy if you consider for 1 mole. So this is for one molecule. Now 1 for mole means how many molecules will be there? Na, Avogadro number. But K times Na is nothing but what? Capital R, universal gas constant. So 3/2 RT, nothing but 3/2 PV. For n moles what it will become? nRT. So for n moles that energy will become 3/2 nRT. So here mainly what it says is law of equipartition means the total energy is equally due to all the motions. Suppose you consider diatomic. There are 3 1/2 kT due to translational and there are 2 1/2 kT due to what motion? Rotational motion. So what is the total energy then? 5/2 kT per molecule, 5/2 RT per 1 mole, 5/2 nRT for n moles. But this is for diatomic. Triatomic means what will come? 6, like that. But for diatomic, only translational if they ask how much it is, only 3/2 kT. So you need to take care while solving questions whether it is asking for 1 molecule or for 1 mole or for n mole. And then you have to take care about whether they are asking only translational kinetic energy or only rotational kinetic energy or both. So these 3 things if you take care, then you can solve the questions related to this. One of the simple and easiest topic. And now let us take 2 questions, then we can understand it. So the very first question is, see, the first question is about the gas mixture. So when you get the mixture, the F mixture formula is N1F1 plus N2F2 by N1 plus N2. Now one is O2. So what is F1 will become 5, diatomic. Another one is argon, monoatomic. Then what is F2 will become 3. And N1 is 3, N2 is 5. So that you can get F mixture. Now they are asking what they are asking is consider only translational modes, the total internal energy. Total internal energy is purely function of what I said, temperature, because it is purely because of what, thermal motion. So only kinetic energy. Now but what kinetic energy they are asking, only translational. So translational means how many motions will be there, 3 translational. Then what is the energy will become, 3 by 2 RT. Sorry, not F by 2 nRT. Now what is F? Because internal energy formula what I have given, NCV delta T. What is N? N1 plus N2. What is CV? I said FR by 2. Now F for mixture, you can find it here. So F for mixture you will get, N is N1 plus N2 and delta T. So at what temperature they are asking, T. So U value will become N, N1 plus N2, CV, F mixture into R by 2 into T is T. So this is the total internal energy due to only what mode? Translational mode. So this is the way you have to take care whether they are asking only translational or rotational, as I mentioned earlier. Now let us consider the other question, that is 2 kg monoatomic gas having pressure P something and density, order of energy due to thermal motion. So thermal motion means what is the energy? I said 3 by 2 nRT, one molecule mono, that's why 3. Otherwise you have to change because the general formula is F by 2 nRT. Now monoatomic means F is 3. Then here nRT nothing but what? P. They have given pressure and they have given density, but they have not given volume. So what is volume? Mass by density. They have given mass, they have given density. So U equal to 3 by 2 P M by rho. So 3 by 2 P is 4 into 10 power 4. Mass is 2 kg, density is 8. 4 2s are 2 cancel. So 1.5 into 10 power 4 joules. This is how you can solve the questions based on degree of freedom and law of equipartition of energy. So everything depends upon your confusion. Why I am telling this confusion? Because you have to take care of whether they are asking for one molecule or for one mole or for n moles, and also whether they are asking only translational or rotational or total. So if you take care of these 3 things, then you will get the questions based on this very easily. So hope you all understood how to solve the questions based on this thing. Thank you.